CDL In-Cab Inspection. My mirrors, no crack, no broken, no damage, clean, properly adjusted to me. My windshield, no crack, no broken, no damage, no illegal stickers. Inspection and registration up to date. My windshield wipers, no damage, no broken, properly attached to the windshield and securely mounted. My seat belt, no cut, no broken, lock, unlock, works properly. My steering wheel, securely mounted, no broken, no damage, has no more than 2-inch free play when engine off. I have 3 emergency equipment. Under my seat, fire extinguisher, fully charged and up to date. Under passenger seat, 3 reflective triangles. Securely mounted, no broken, no damage. 6 spare fuses present here. Now I will check my electrical equipment. Washer fluid present, windshield wipers works properly. Left turn signal works properly, right turn signal works properly, 4-way flasher lights works properly. Давайте я вам подсниму. Clearance light works properly, low beam works properly, high beam works properly, city horn works properly, defroster works properly, heater works properly, ABS light on, ABS light off, ABS works properly. Now I will check my dashboard. Start engine, position neutral, brake on, start engine. My dashboard, no warning lights. Transmission gauge works properly. Proper level between 150 and 210. Water gauge works properly. Proper level between 170 and 210. Oil gauge works properly. Proper level between 40 and 60. RPM gauge present, works properly. MPH gauge I will check later. Volts gauge working properly, proper level between 12 and 14. Fuel gauge working properly, enough for my test. Air brake gauges, 1 is primary, 2 is the secondary. Working properly, proper level between 120 140 psi. Все.